Okay, we do this. This is an unboxing of
a drone.
of a I think it's a Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone. Here's the box. I shouldn't walk all the way around it. That's a bit weird when people do that. And here it is. I've saved opening it for when my son's here. Ooh, there's instruction manuals. It's very important. We need to read those.
And a
That's
plug?
That's power supply.
The charger.
That's the wrong type of plug for here. And there's a little. Oh, that's a little piece of
These are
thing.
the propellers.
Why don't you get those? Why don't you open the bag and show me those?
These are propellers.
So I guess the drone just lifts out of here. Oh, and obviously that's the battery in the back of the drone. Those are the motors. It's reasonably heavy. Oh, look, there's the thing. Yeah, it's definitely very heavy. Obviously the ECUs I think are in there, which is why there's this little stuff on it.
The drone wings on.
Wait, Max, have you read the instructions? Do you know that goes there?
Yeah, I know because.
Why? Oh, it does actually go there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not fitting them yet. So here are the propellers. There's two different types. One's with orange markings and one was without, because they go in opposite directions. Okay, so that's the drone. It's got little feet. Those motors look really cool.
There's a camera. There's a camera
Gimbals.
on it?
Yeah, there's a camera on it. The gimbal's really cool. There's a power button.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh, that's really cool. Let's put that down there.
Do you want to see what a future dimensional thing looks like?
Future dimensional thing. Oh, this is the controller.
Yeah. You take it out like that.
Go on then, take it out.
Home. This is like a Wii U, a tiny one.
Does it look like a tiny Wii U, does it?
Yeah. Oh, you do this.
Let me have a look. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there. That's the part of the drone. And I guess the next thing to do is that's battery charger, is to update the firmware on it when we have an internet connection, because we don't at the moment because the internet's broken. And then we can get it flying and show it flying. So say bye-bye to the camera, Max.
Bye-bye. We're going to put these on.
So this is what it looks like with the propellers on. It's a bit smaller than I expected, but it's actually pretty big, isn't it, Max? Like crosswise. And the fans on the top, I would say they're about 7 inches in diameter all the way across.
Oh yeah, and then
That's probably about 15 or 16 centimeters.
I think the face can open.
No, the face is, this is the front. That's the back where the battery is.
Well, the front.
Yeah, leave that.
That's the camera.
Yeah, that's the camera. Don't touch that with your fingers. Oh, put that back to where it was.
Oh! It's working! There it is! Floating! It's hovering!
Yes, it's hovering. Keep an eye on it with the camera.
It is!
Max, don't get any photos.
I think the viewers cannot see it.
Yeah, they can. I'll bring it over here then, shall I?
Yeah? Well, okay. It's like a weird X in the sky, guys. It's very near us.
Oh, well, it's kind of working.
It is working. I want to fly it now. Can I fly it? Just land it. Land it on the ground.